Hello guys, welcome to MR.KRAFTLO, and today we're checking out some of the most satisfying workers from around the world. These people have truly mastered their craft, and watching them work is oddly satisfying. Trust me, some of these clips will leave you speechless. Using a powerful propane torch, the intense flame quickly melts the thick snow and ice. Inside this machine, metal parts move together with perfect timing, shaping cookie cutters one by one with smooth and precise movements. Using a spray gun, the worker carefully coats the metal roof, adding a protective layer that helps it last longer. Here's a power drill with a special attachment makes tightening these large bolts much faster and easier on the job. Working through the night, this road crew worker carefully installs reflective markers to keep drivers safe. With quick and careful throws, the team passes watermelons down the line, unloading the truck in a smooth and coordinated flow. On this fast-moving canning line, fresh beer flows into aluminum cans, getting sealed and ready for shipment in seconds. Using this clever folding tool, the t-shirt is quickly shaped into a neat, perfect fold in just a few seconds. With a sponge and plenty of soap, the table is being scrubbed clean, washing away the dirt and leaving the surface spotless. Inside this machine, powerful straps tighten around the load, packing everything into a firm and secure bundle. With perfect precision, the CNC machine carefully engraves the metal, carving every detail exactly into place. As the cable feeds through the machine, the insulation is cleanly stripped away, revealing the pure copper inside. With steady pressure, the tool bends the thin metal rod smoothly, shaping it exactly the way it's needed. With the force of a hydraulic press, the machine easily shapes the metal, turning raw material into a precise piece. Carefully placing each curved tile, the worker builds a strong roof layer that will protect the structure for years. Inside the machine, metal wire is shaped and linked together, forming a strong chain, piece by piece. Working high above the ground, the builder carefully installs roof panels to form the base of a strong, durable roof. Using a spray machine, the worker spreads a smooth layer of mortar across the wall, giving it a strong and clean finish. Riding the power trowel, the worker glides over fresh concrete, smoothing the surface into a clean, level finish. Moving through the field, the harvester lifts onions from the soil and carries them straight into waiting crates. Inside the machine, the dough is shaped and filled, turning out perfect little dumplings one after another. With careful strokes, the worker shapes the wall into a bold 3D pattern, giving it a unique textured look. Moving steadily through the field, the machine cuts the leafy crop cleanly, making the harvest quick and efficient. On this production line, aloe vera leaves are processed to extract the fresh gel, ready for use in different products. As the creamy base swirls in, rich chocolate sauce is layered through it, creating a smooth and delicious mix. On this production line, the cosmetic product is carefully filled and prepared, ready to be packaged for use. These tiny flower-shaped pieces are neatly made in bulk, ready to be used as colorful accessories. With one firm push, the cutter slices the potato into perfect fries in seconds. With steady hands, mortar is carefully applied between the bricks, holding the wall strong and in place. With careful trimming, the gardener shapes the tall hedge, keeping it neat, healthy, and well maintained. This machine scores the glass bottle cleanly, making it easy to turn it into a glass, lamp, or vase. Watch how the wrapping seals perfectly as heat is applied, giving each product a tight, protective cover in just a few seconds. Using a specialized cart, the workers move along the road, helping lay down smooth and accurate markings with steady control. This high-efficiency machine cuts metal tubes with precision, delivering smooth and accurate results in a fast and controlled process. On this packaging line, biscuits are neatly arranged and stacked, moving smoothly toward wrapping in a fast and organized flow. One by one, the interlocking paver blocks are placed into position, forming a strong and durable surface that fits together perfectly. After harvest, the bananas are separated into smaller hands and washed clean, preparing them for packing and delivery. The laser screed moves across the fresh concrete, leveling it with precision to create a smooth and even surface. Fresh from the machine, layers of ice cream are carefully filled into the carton, creating a smooth and perfect mix of flavors. On this automated line, each treat is smoothly dipped in rich chocolate, coating it evenly before moving on to the next stage. This case packer lifts and places bottles into boxes with precision, keeping the packaging line fast and fully automated. This smart machine quickly trims and cuts coconuts, making the process fast, clean, and easy for large-scale use. As the log moves through the machine, the outer bark is stripped away, leaving clean wood ready for further processing. On this high-speed machine, multiple lanes fill and seal small stick packs at once, keeping the production fast and efficient. On this fast-moving line, pouches are formed, filled, and sealed in one smooth process, keeping production quick and efficient. Using a gas torch, the workers melt the waterproof layer onto the roof, sealing it tight to keep water out for years. This CNC machine bends rebar with precision, shaping each piece quickly and accurately for construction use. This machine forms threads on the metal by pressing and rolling it, creating strong and precise grooves without cutting. This machine shapes ribbons into perfect bows, turning them out one after another with smooth and precise movement. With one powerful cut, the machine slices through thick stacks of paper, leaving clean and perfectly straight edges. With strong pressure and control, the machine bends the steel bar into a smooth curve, shaping it perfectly for construction use. Using this semi-automatic machine, the worker quickly assembles floral hair clips, shaping each piece with speed and precision. As the machine moves through the field, it turns the soil over, preparing the land for fresh planting. With careful cuts, The green fruit is sliced thin and fanned out, turning it into a neat and eye-catching garnish. As the comb is cut cleanly, each smooth slice creates a strangely satisfying and perfectly even result. As the chalk is cut, it breaks into soft, crisp pieces, creating a clean and oddly satisfying texture. On this fast-moving machine, cigarettes are neatly arranged and packed, keeping the process quick and fully automated. With a quick press, the tool shapes perfect snowballs every time, making it fast, easy, and fun. On the lathe, the wood spins smoothly as each bead is shaped with precision, turning raw wood into perfect round pieces. Using specialized tools, the large floor tiles are carefully placed and leveled, creating a smooth and long-lasting finish. With careful hammer strikes, the carpenter secures each wooden piece, slowly building a strong and sturdy staircase. Using a tempering machine, the melted chocolate is smoothly poured into molds, creating perfectly shaped pieces with a glossy finish. With quick and skilled movements, the coconuts are peeled and cleaned, preparing them for the next stage of processing. The high-pressure washer pump is being tested and adjusted, making sure it delivers a strong and steady water flow. This high-speed machine slices onions rapidly and evenly, keeping the process fast, smooth, and efficient. As the bottles pass through, each label is applied so cleanly, it almost looks satisfying to watch. Using this manual machine, the worker quickly forms strong concrete blocks, turning wet cement into building material in seconds. With careful folding and precise glue work, each luxury gift bag is hand-assembled to create a strong and premium finish.